May I please your lordship? Lordship, 389 application, lordship. Can it be on Friday, lordship?
Yes.
Applies.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, paying for listing, lordship. I beg to listing of one IA, lordship. It was filed on 22/3/2024, lordship.
Not listed even once.
Not yet listed, lordship.
When do you want it?
Lordship.
When do you want it?
Lordship, this week, lordship. Wednesday or Thursday, lordship.
Friday.
Friday, lordship.
Friday.
And same prayer on criminal appeal, lordship. It was last posted on 4/3, lordship.
The last posted you applied for registry. Fresh listing only will allow here.
Lordship, fresh IA, lordship. IA was freshly filed. lordship.
Next week. Next week.
Oblige, lordship.
May please, lordship. I beg to mention for listing a IA on 9th.
Why? What is the idea about?
IA for bail,
First listing.
first listed. Hello.
May I plead your lordship? Lordship, item number 1, my senior is out of station. Kindly pass over the matter before today.
So you wait, we'll see. You wait. Let the matter be called up. Who is your senior?
I showed you.
You are appearing in item 1.
Mention.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Possible, bhai, look
Yes.
May I please, your lordship, my lord? We are supposed to file a affidavit, my lord, bring your record the evidence of the witnesses, my lord. We've translated the same and it has been filed, my lord. Can the matter come up on Thursday, my lord?
Which matter?
For listing, I'm praying, my lord. 389 application, we were supposed to file the evidences, my lord. We have translated and filed them, my lord. Can they come on Thursday, my lord? Obliged, highly obliged.
Daily list for admission, item 1.
We are issuing notice.
Okay, ma'am.
Your name, please.
P. Medhi.
Heard Miss P. Medhi, Learned Counsel, appearing for the appellant. Peruse the grounds taken in the memo of appeal. This mat appeal is directed against the judgment and order dated 27/2/2024, passed by the principal judge, family court dash capital Roman 2, Kamrup bracket M bracket close Guwahati, rejecting the prayer of the appellant for issuing an order of restitution of conjugal rights. Having gone through the impugned judgment, we are of the opinion that the matter calls for examination. Stop. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Appellant to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent by registered post with AD within a week.
Highly appreciated.
Item 2.
Jail appeal amicus is already appointed.
Appeal has not been admitted yet.
Not it.
Not admitted. First time. Not yet. First time. It's a 302 case. It's
Heard Mrs. D. or Pujari. You are amicus.
legal aid council.
Legal
Lordship.
Legal aid counsel appearing for the appellant in this case. Also heard Ms. S. Jahan, learned APP Assam appearing for the state. This appeal referred under section 374 bracket 2 bracket close of the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973, is directed against the judgment and for 21/11/2023, passed by the Learned Sessions Judge Raidu in Sessions case number 27 of 2020, convicting the appellant under sections 302/326/450 of IPC and sentencing him to internally undergo rigorous imprisonment for life and also to pay fine. Admit the appeal. Issue notice. Returnable in 4 weeks. Since Learned APP Assam has accepted notice for the state, no formal notice is required to be sent in this case. Call for the LCR.
Same order.
I am the legal aid counsel.
Mr. JP Das and judgment and order dated
Finding page 40. 302, 376. And
Foxo, sir.
and 201 IP.
a আমার সার্ভার আহা নাই judgment and order dated 15/9/2023 convicting the appellant
কি হলো না?
section 302/376/2 of the IPC and inter alia sentencing him to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life and also to pay fine. Take us, Baki, everything else will be same. You are accepting notice for this state.
Lordship.
Is it necessary to send notice to the?
376 is there.
Acha.
Foxo, it is mandatory. 376 again.
We'll send a notice.
No.
As per number 1, Ms. Jahan, no formal notice. Appellant takes steps for service of notice. No, you don't write like this. Notice be sent to the as per number 2 by registered post within a week from today.
Oblige.
Yes.
Same order will follow. It's a 302.
You are legal aid counsel.
Logic.
So same, Ms. D. Papujari, legal aid counsel and judgment and order. Dated 7/3/2024, passed by the additional session judge number 2, bracket FTC, bracket close Tinsukia. In sessions case number 82, bracket capital T, bracket close of 2021. Convicting the appellant per section 302 of the IPC and sentencing him to rigorous imprisonment for life and also fine of ₹5,000 with equal stipulation. So there is only one respondent here. So no formal notice.
Informant बनवाना है ना? This is Foxo.
May I please, your lordship, conviction, appeal against a conviction lodge on the POXO.
Yeah, notices will go as per Deepak Nayak's case.
The informant has been
Vinay
named.
Chaudhary for appellant. So firstly, appeal is directed against the
Nahi ma'am.
government and order dated 4/3/2024. Special Judge, Foxo, Chiram, at Kajal in special record books of record case number 25, 2021. Convicting the sole appellant under section 6 of the POCSO Act. And sentencing him to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life and also to pay fine of rupees 25,000. Then everything will be same. Response number 1 by Mrs. Jahan. Appellant to take steps to service the notice upon response number 2 by registered postman within a week from today.
Victim herself.
Take steps of response number.
Lordship. Highly obliged.
Item 6.
Applicant conviction was sentenced to undergo imprisonment for life under section 6 of POCSO.
As per that case, that notice has to be routed through the registry, then to us, then to the police station, then to the victim. In the POCSO matters. They will,
Whatever is the step, we are not mentioning like this,
Lodge.
whatever the procedure. Mr. Zaid Alam and judgment and order dated, judgment and order dated 28/2/2024, passed by the Court of Additional Session Judge from Special Judge, bracket POCSO, bracket was Moregaon, in POCSO case number 99 of 2001. Convicting the appellant under section 6 of the POCSO Act and sentencing him to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life. Inter alia sentencing undergo rigorous imprisonment for life and also to pay fine. Then rest will be same, and a notice to be sent to respond number 2.
I'll file my objection.
By following the usual process, in every one you write following the usual process.
There is an IL also.
IA, we will
Oh.
wait for the LCR.
LCR.
For the IA, you write, a prayer made in this IA shall be considered after receipt of LCR. So and so, so and so. And this is an application. Yeah, all matters LCR has to be called, all cases.
Item 7.
This is also POCSO.
Email appeal, your lordship.
Hmm.
There is a judgment on 29 to 24. This conviction for 20 years under section 6(1) of POCSO Act.
All right, we admit the appeal.
Yes.
Yeah, Mr.
Archetji.
Mr. R. Chipil and counsel for the appellant, so and so for the state, respond number 1. This appeal is directed against the judgment dated 29/2024, passed by the Court of Special Judge at Doha in special case number 219 of 2022, convicting the appellant under section 6 bracket 1 of the POCSO Act and sentencing him to undergo rigorous imprisonment for a period of 20 years and also to pay a fine of rupees 20,000. Rest will be same. All matters admit, call for the record, issue notice. Respond number 1, Ms. Jahan accepts notice for respond number 1. Appellant to take the service of notice on respond number 2 by registered post to AD within a week from today by following the usual process. Is there a IA?
I is there.
IA, you write so and so, so and so, so and so, you write the prayer. This IA is filed under section 389 of the CRPC, which is a prayer to suspend the jail sentence and also to release the applicant on bail. The prayer in the IA will be considered on receipt of LCR. Same thing with the previous IAs.
All right.
Item 8.
Yeah.
26.
This is 302 in other sections. Councils are not here.
Who is the
Perhaps-
council?
Tomorrow is the voting date. Perhaps they must have left or Mr. Mondal is there.
What should we do? Postpone it?
You can admit it because IA is also not there. Oh,
Right. How many respondents?
302 not required.
No need to.
He has made him a party.
Right, his appeal is directed against the judgment and order dated. This is the judgment dated 25/1/2024 and order dated 30/1/2024. Passed by the learned additional sessions, Bilasi Parak, Dhubri, in sessions case number 66 of 2016. Convicting the appellants under sections 147/148/323/324/326/34. Uh, 326/302 with the assistance of section 149 of the IPC and sentence them to inter alia undergo rigorous imprisonment for life and also to pay fine. Step. Admit the appeal, call for the LCR, issue notice returnable in 6 weeks. Since Ms. Ezwan, learned APP Assam, has appeared to accept a notice for the sole respondent, no formal notice is required to be sent in this case. Let this matter be listed after receipt of LCR. Informant is required to.
Not required in 302.
Not required.
If they want to participate, they can come.
Should we issue notice then?
They'll come to know only when they get something. So otherwise they have participatory rights. Let the notice go if it is served. It's served.
Appellant to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent but to be registered. List after completion of service and or receipt of LCR. Yes,
The appeal against conviction under 302 for life, Lordship.
302.
Out of 5, all are acquitted, only this person was convicted.
Heard Mr. D. Talukdar and council appearing for the appellant. So heard Ms. S. Jahan, learned APP Assam appearing for the state. It's has been filed under so exactly right. So it's a so section of the CF directed against the judgment dated 24/1/2024 passed by the learned sessions Judge Kachar Sinchar. Sections case number 103 of 2016. Sole appellant under section 302 of the IPC and sentencing him to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life and also to pay fine of ₹10,000. Admit, call for the LCR, issue notice, returnable in 6 weeks. Since Miss, only one respondent.
One-
Respondent is, oh yes, I'm
Since Ms.
the only one.
Jahan and APP Assam has accepted notice for the state oblique respondent, no formal notice.
IA is also there. After
List
received
after
that.
receipt of LCR. And in the IA, you write so and so for so and so, so and so, for so and so. This is an application under section 389 bracket 2, bracket close of the CRPC, paying for suspension of jail sentence and for release of the applicant stroke appellant on bail. The prayer will be considered after receipt of LCR.
Meet
Against
pleases your lordship.
action of bail prayer.
Lordship.
Yes.
Meet pleases your lordship. Lordship, this is a criminal application, appeal lordship. And the judgment passed
Bail
by,
prayer,
yes,
this is appeal, this appeal is a matter of right.
yes, lordship, it's,
Then we'll admit it.
yes, lordship. Lordship, LCR may be called for.
LCR or CD?
This,
Since the trial is going on, Lordship, scan copy of that. It will be voluminous. I don't know like how many witnesses have been. Lordship, around 20 witnesses have been examined, so. So let us first try with the case diary. Yes, Lordship. Your name, please?
A Ghoshal.
You are not there in this case.
Lordship, my name is reflected in the process.
A Goswami.
Ghoshal, Lordship.
Last name, Ekosal.
A Ghoshal, learned counsel, appearing for the appellant. This appeal is directed against the judgment and order dated 22/3/2024, passed by the learned special judge, Nia, Assam. In Miss Nia close case number 26/2024, arising out of special Nia case number 01/2024, rejecting the bail prayer made by the appellant. Mr. Where peruse the grounds taken in the memo of appeal, admit the appeal, issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. R.K.D. Chaudhary, learned DSGI, appears and accepts notice for respondent number 1. As such, no formal notice is 1 and 2, both you can take. 2 is also. 2 will be the state lordship. Respondent number 1 and. You can take it. Why this task force? Actually,
Initially, the investigation was by us, then it was handed over. They are the.
since the investigation in this case was carried out by the NIA, thereafter charge sheet was submitted. Hence, we do not deem it necessary to issue notice to the respondent number 2 at this stage.
Lordship, matter may be fixed on 13th
13th of
May.
So,
Short date may be.
Lordship, at least 3 weeks time, Lordship. Notice returnable on. We'll have it on 20th May 20. 20th of May. In this part, the learned counsel for the respondent to produce the case diary on the next date fixed.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Library will be with them.
Part of the record. It is weird in the share. Much did not enter the game best to the speed and another issue. Along with the
You can let them say that. Yes.
11.
Yes.
Item 11, Lordship, 3024 line.
So these are similar orders.
Similar.
File objection, Lordship.
And I is also there.
Mr. G. Chalupa, and counsel appearing for the appellant, is appealing directed against the judgment dated 8/2/2020, passed by the learned session judge Kamru from Amin Rao in sessions case number 194/2014, convicting the appellant, convicting the appellants under section 302/201, read with section 34 of the IPC, and sentencing each of them to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life. Inter alia to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life and also to pay fine. admit the appeal, call for the LCR, issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Since Ms. S.H. Bora, learned APP Assam, has appeared and accepted notice for the sole respondent.
Yes, Lordship.
No formal notice is required to the same in this case. List the matter after receipt of LCR. Then in the IA, write so and so for the applicant, so and so for the state. This IA is filed under section 389(2).
89(2).
Bracket close of the CRPC with a prayer to suspend the jail sentence awarded to the applicants stroke appellants and also to release them on bail. The prayer made in the IA shall be considered after receipt of LCR.
So in the meantime, we'll file objection, Lordship.
In the meantime, the state will file objection if so desired. That line you had in the earlier, I will also.
Obliged.
Again, judgment and order sentence under POXO, my lord. 20 years plus 3 years concurrent sentence. So may call for the LCR.
But Mr. Jesse Barbara, it's not by Mr. P. Particular counsel for the appellant. Also, and Ms. S. Bora, and we also appearing for the state. This filed under so and so is directed against the judgment dated 20/2024 passed by the additional sessions judge dash cum dash special judge bracket court POXO bracket close Mori in POXO case number 126 of 2021. Convicting the accused under section 6 of the POXO Act and sentencing him to inter alia undergo rigorous imprisonment for 20 years and also to pay a fine. Admit the call for the LCR, issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Since Ms. Bora has appeared and accepted notice for the respondent number 1, no formal notice is required to be sent to the said respondent. Appellant to take steps for service of respondent number 2 by following the usual process.
On my lord, the victims, I'll register post my.
As per Deepak
By
Naik's
instance, motion with AD by
To the
following
concern
the
of
usual process. Is there a IA?
No, I-
have not filed bail. So.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, criminal appeal judgment and order dated against 11/3/2024 lordship convicted RI for 20 years under section 4 of the POXO.
Also matter, Lordship.
POXO lordship.
But Mr. R. Bowal and counsel for the appellant, also with Ms. S. Bowal, having application appearing to this day. His appeal filed under section so and so, so and so, so and so, directed against the judgment dated 11/3/2024 passed by the learned special judge bracket POXO bracket close, Vishwanath Charali, in special bracket POXO bracket close. Case number 28 of 2020. Convicting the sole appellant under section 4 bracket 2 of the POXO Act. Read with section 376 bracket 3 of the IPC and sentencing him to inter alia undergo rigorous imprisonment for 20 years and also to pay fine. Admit the appeal, calls for the LCR, issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Since Ms. Bora, learned APP Assam has accepted notice for the respondent number 1. No formal notice is required to be sent to the said respondent. Appellant to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 2 by registered post with AD by following the.
Lordship, since it's a POXO matter, Lordship,
Yes,
then he has to give the memo of appeal to the registry and registry will give us a notice.
by following the usual process.
Yes.
We are not going to remind what is the process.
Yes,
Yes,
obliged.
Follow the process.
deeply obliged lordship.
May I please your lordship, my lord? 302 life, my lord, single appellant. So 302 life, my lord, single appellant, my lord.
Heard Mr. L. Mahajan, and his counsel for the appellant. Also heard Ms. S. H. Bora, learned in also appearing in the state. This appeal has been preferred under section 374, that 374 bracket 3 bracket clause of the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973, against the judgment dated 15/3/2024, passed by the learned Additional Sessions Judge, Dubri, in connection with Sessions Case number 357 of 2013, convicting the appellant under section 302 of the IPC and sentencing him to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life and also to pay fine of rupees 5,000 with default stipulation. Stop. Admit the appeal, call for the LCR, issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Since Ms. Bora has appeared and accepted notice for sole respondent. Now, for the respondent number 1, is it? The respondent number 1, no formal notice is required to the said respondent. Appellant to, however, takes service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by registered post with AD within a week by following the usual process. Is there a IA?
There's a IA, my lord.
In the IA, right? So and so for the applicant, so and so for the state. His IA has been filed under section 389 bracket 2 bracket clause of the CRPC 1973 with a prayer to suspend the jail sentence of the applicant stroke appellant and also to release him on bail. The prayer made in the IA shall be considered after receipt of LCR. In the meantime, the state may file objection.
Yes,
if-
Marshal.
Obliged, my lord. I'll reply.
So compromise.
My lords, this appeal has already been admitted, my lord.
So let it be listed for hearing.
Otherwise, IA is pending. I filed my objection. It's on record. And paperwork is otherwise ready.
Let it be, my lord, come for hearing, my lord. Difficult case,
Uh-huh.
because my lord went to the police station with a sickle in his hand. But whether, my lord, that confession will not be, my lord, admission. But leading to discovery also, my lord, on that, my lord.
Okay, and what about the informant is served here? Service is complete?
302 not required.
Take down.
The-
Heard Mr. B.M. Chaudhary, learned counsel.
Mhm.
The appellant also heard Ms. S. John, learned APP Assam appearing for the state. This appeal has already been admitted and the paper is also ready. Learned counsel for both the sides have confirmed receipt of the paper book. In view of the above, and taking note of the urgency expressed by Mr. Chaudhary, we direct the registry to list this matter for hearing on 4th of June,
My lord,
4th of June.
my lord.
4th of June.
I'm obliged, worship.
Obliged.
May I please your lordship?
Settlement
I'm newly.
already been admitted.
Admitted, my lord, and for today I was supposed to praise the suspension of sentence, my lord.
The state has not conducted the investigation. It is the
Yeah.
DRI. So they have to file objection
It
again.
is, who has conducted the
DRI.
right.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior. Respondent number 2, he is expired on 5th May 2019. So,
Yes. It has
All right, what about respondent number 1? Who's appearing? for
One is
respondent?
state, no?
state.
One is the state of Assam.
One is state, two is the DRI.
Oh, investigation to next.
This is DRI.
DRI, no?
DRI is. Yeah, completely.
FIR file is ready, police station.
No, no.
No, okay, so
Okay.
this is totally by the DRI. It's no necessity for us to be a party here. No. I'm not talking.
Mr. Hazarika,
Yes.
Yes.
you're not, it's not by the state CID, DRI.
DRI,
State
madam.
is state. What is the problem?
Ah,
Yes.
It's okay.
Is there a
Let us
standing
be there.
council for
We have
DRI?
made a formal party, my lord.
Yes, is sending them into the appearance.
Since, my lord, the officer in charge was also a party to the charge, my lord, Caesar.
Acha, acha.
On his behalf, my lord, PW3, he was from the police, so he made him a.
Acha.
You are appearing.
My lord, I'm from the DRI, my lord.
Yes.
So unfortunately, my lord, the officer died in the year 2019, sir.
Sorry?
2019, my lord.
Huh.
So,
That was
2019
not-
was about 5 years back.
yes, my lord.
Where is your objection? We'll
That-
allow the bail prayer today.
No, bail or the objection.
By recording that, you have no objection.
Because that was not in his personal capacity, it is in official capacity, so somebody dying will not.
Yes, you argue. We'll consider the bail prayer today and dispose it of.
Objection,
You have not filed any objection.
objection what time loan I do, but
My lord, actually, some topics are short date may fix, my lord. A short date may be given, my lord. I filed objection. I'm taking instruction from officers as well. Because it is respondent number 2. So. Filed objections.
My lord,
You'll have
other,
to give them because there is defect in your appeal. You have not implemented the correct party.
Correct.
Why have you implemented the PP Assam in this case? The state of Assam represented by PP. That's a mistake.
my lord, because police was also in the whole search
But
process.
where is the DRI?
DRI is, in.
But no.
You have not included.
This is personal now, born for the child.
Union of India, my lord.
Generally, we, my lord,
Well, then argue, let's
no,
conduct a hearing on generally what should be
My
done.
lord,
Should have been
we-
Union of
Especially
India.
who should be done. Well, let's
Madam,
first
we
decide.
just add the informant, my lord. Complainant.
But today, what is to be?
Since, my lord, I have also come from the judgment, my lord. This, my lord, person, he died, my lord. So, my learned friend can represent in his position, my lord, where.
He has to amend the cause title. You amend the cause title. Union of India, you make it.
Take down, heard Mr. P.H. Agarkar and a
Union of India
consider.
represented by DRI.
Appellant also heard Ms. S. Jahan Lanet, FPP Assam appearing for the respondent number 1. It is submitted at the bar that the respondent number 2, who was serving as senior intelligence officer in the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, has expired long back, that is in the year 2019. Post up. Ms. Jahan further points out that the investigation in this case was conducted by the Directorate of
Revenue
Intelligence, Guwahati Regional Unit, Guwahati. But the DRI has not been implemented as a party respondent in the present appeal. Full stop. Mr. A. Boro,
MK Boro.
M.K. Boro, learned Standing Council DRI, submits that since the directorate is not a party in this case, hence he did not, hence he could not appear earlier. However, Mr. Boro has prayed for 2 weeks' time to obtain instruction and file objection, opposing the prayer made in the IA seeking bail. First up, taking note of the submission of learned counsel for the parties, submissions of learned counsel for the parties, we hereby direct the registry to delete the name of respondent number 2 from the array of parties. Instead, the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, Guwahati Regional Unit, Guwahati, be implemented as respondent number 2 in the memo of appeal. The appellant's counsel to file amended cause title within 10 days from
10 days.
Let the matter be listed thereafter for necessary order, for further order. In the meantime, first you have to
Yes.
complete them.
Yes,
Further
ma'am.
order, yes.
My lord, may I pray for a date, fixed date, my lord? Fixed date, because.
Immediately, you first file the cause title, we'll
Yes.
amend the title.
Yes.
Then they will get time to file objection.
Deep chocolate.
Item 20.
My lord, appeal is admitted, my lord. I am, my lord.
We'll file our objection, Lordship, kindly give
What
us.
is the IA number? IA number, my lord?
IA criminal 77/2020. I'll
Yes.
file my objection, Lordship.
But I was also, my lord, allowed to file objection, but I am not served with a copy of the IA. So there is an order, my lord, to the effect. To serve the copy of the IA.
You are for whom?
I for 2 and 3. 2 and 3,
Informant.
informant and my lord, victim sides.
Wait, let us see what is his case. What is your case? On what ground you want?
My lord,
How many applicants are there?
no, my lord, it is convicted under section 6 of POCSO.
Lordship, can it be on some other date, your lordship? Maybe on 10 or 11.
Acha. On 10 or 11 is Saturday, Sunday.
Oh, sorry, 12.
12 is also Sunday. Can you think of a working day?
On 13, your lordship.
14th. 14th.
Obliged, my
All
lord.
the other matter, 26.
Item 26.
Heard Planet Council for both the sides. Peruse the office note dated 25/4/2024, by means of which the Honorable Chief Justice had directed that the matter be placed before a division bench of Honorable Mr. Justice M.R. Pathak and Justice S.P. Khand, Worcester. In view of the above, register to place this matter before appropriate bench.